Hello, this is a new tutorial for the VR module of BabySliceO. So first thing, we're going to load in a data set. Let's see, I've got my spherical volume here. Okay, this is a standard data set. I'm going to put a filter on this. We see our baby, and now we're going to go directly to the Edit VR module. And the rest is in my VR headset. Okay, and my tools. So this is my right hand tool, my left hand tool. Okay, so in the VR mode you have your dataset. We are inside a room. On the right hand side wall of the room you have the instruction for the right hand device. On the left hand side the instruction for the left device. Right now I am right-handed, so the right hand is right, so I have some more instructions here. So basically I have my tool in my right hand. With the trigger on the tool I can change the opacity of my tool here, and I have a choice of, let's see, tool shape, sphere, a disc, or a tube I can use to edit my surface, and I have also a choice between editing the mask or the gray level values. This is explained a little bit in the other tutorial on edit. And the left hand tool is used to move my geometry. If I use my trigger, then I lock and I can move my geometry. I can also change the scaling with the control on the top of the interface, or change the resolution of my model if you cannot achieve real time. But I've got a big graphic card, so it shouldn't be a problem. So right now I'm gonna edit my object. So first I'm gonna remove this here in front because I don't want it, and it's gone. I'm gonna clean up a little bit what I have on top here, because that's just not my baby, so I can easily come in here. If I get too close to my baby though, I'm going to use the GLI edit instead of just of the mask. This is just a rough, and you can see there by the way it looked that it is a rough edition that I'm doing right here. If I instead I go with my GLI edit, then I've got something much more smoother. And I'm going to use it, but it's a little bit slower because I have to change the GLI values until it is under the threshold value. Now the image seems to be jumping quite a lot right here. That's because I'm recording the screen at the same time, and it decreased my frame rate. Normally I don't have those jumps. Okay, clean up a little bit here, clean up a little bit here. I'm going to clean up here also. Okay, that's for removing everything that I don't want. Now, I can, for example, if I look in my arm here, I have some holes in it. I'm going to use the GLI plus, decrease the size of my brush. I'm going to put the brush inside and just increase the value of the gray level until I fix my holes. Okay. As you can see, this is a much easier to work with than what I have when just edit into in 3D. Now I see my model. I can really put my face straight in it actually and see inside the model if I want. Okay, so this I can probably also edit the eye here to make it a little bit nicer. Whoopie light, that's the wrong tool. I've got the undo. If I press the hand trigger and the index trigger at the same time, then I'm undoing what I've done. But of course I'm also bringing back something I deleted before, so I'm going to remove it. Okay, now I want to just edit the eye a little bit. Okay, maybe remove this bump here and here. Okay. And that's it. I'll probably clean up this here a little bit also. And then you have it. That was the VR edit module. Thank you.